An ordinary department store.
With an ordinary mum buying some clothes for her daughter.
But why is she buying 4 of everything? That seems a bit much. Whoa, she's multiplied! Meet Georgie, Jessica, Ellie and Holly. And as you might have guessed, they are identical quads, 4 of a kind.
When they were born, I couldn't tell them apart, so I drew their initials on their feet with a marker pen.
Well, that's one way to tell them apart. So what's it like being a quad?
I like having my 3 sisters because I like to play with them and have fun with them.
What do you think, Georgie?
I love it.
Is it always good? Is there a downside?
They're great, but sometimes they're not.
Holly?
I can't believe that we had quads.
Ellie, Jess, Holly and Georgie are genetically the same person, just like me and Chris, which means they have the same blood type, the same hair colour and even the same DNA.
What do you think of that, Holly?
But how did that happen? The quads all came along from the same egg. Normally, one egg grows into a baby, but with the quads, the one egg split first into 2, and then those eggs split into 4 separate babies.
But how does Mum tell them apart?
You know, their facial features are slightly different, and then as they develop, their personalities are slightly different.
While Georgie likes eating all kinds of different foods,
Ellie is a dancer,
Jessica is always reading storybooks,
and Holly is an artist.
When other people get to meet them, they don't see it straight away, but once you get to know them, you can see that they are quite different.
now that's amazing.